Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Beyond World This One with me, Diksha Bisla. And this is News Point. Let's start with the headlines.
Many Indian nationals have lost their lives or are missing as a result of attacks against countries of the region and against merchant vessels and sea lanes of communication.
India expresses concern at UNSC over West Asia conflict, citing safety priority for nearly 10 million Indians in Gulf and urging protection of shipping and freedom of navigation. As 2 Indian seafarers are killed and 1 is missing after attack on oil tanker off Oman. US President Donald Trump tells Fox News that Israel is not involved in the ongoing strikes on Iran, adding that Iranian officials asked him to halt the attacks. Also leaves open the possibility of further military action. IRGC says it launched ballistic missiles at a US command center at Al-Azraq base in Jordan. Iranian media reports the operation involved 12 ballistic missiles, destroying control facilities and a large number of fighter aircraft. US CENTCOM releases footage showing missiles launched from an American warship, saying it completed self-defense strikes on Iran within about 4 hours. Attacks target Iranian surveillance capabilities and air defense sites. An Israeli military official says Ramat David Air Base in northern Israel sustained damage during recent Iranian attacks, confirming impact in non-critical area. It is still under probe whether damage came from shrapnel or direct hit. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu urges Lebanese people to oppose Hezbollah, saying the group has taken Lebanon hostage. He stresses that Israel's conflict is with Hezbollah and not Lebanon, and calls for peace and cooperation once the group is dismantled. Bill Gates tells US lawmakers during testimony that he never victimized anyone and had no knowledge of Epstein's criminal conduct. Also says he never visited Epstein's island, ranch or Florida home, adding that he should have never met Jeffrey Epstein. Deadly blast in China's Guangxi kills 7 and injures 17. Authorities rule out gas pipeline issues as the cause, adding that none of the injuries are life-threatening. Indian government has exempted higher ethanol blended petrol containing between 22 to 30% ethanol from central excise duty. The move is aimed at promoting cleaner fuels and boosting India's ethanol blending program.